is shared, you can go ahead with your quiz. Fantastic. Let's get started.
Yeah, you just say hi everybody.
Hi everybody, I'm going to conduct a quiz on a multinational company, which you will come to get to know here.
Right, Zayan, your first question on the screen is this. You just gave a very big clue, so you want everybody to just write the answers for that. Anybody who wants to answer, let me go to the youngest one, Zayan.
Adidas.
All right, fantastic.
Adidas.
Okay, all of you are,
Adidas.
Zayan,
Adidas.
this is a teaser question. Hold on, Zayan has some really tough ones coming up, so don't worry. Yeah, Zara and Anas, Adidas.
Not for Zara, not for Zara.
Not for Zara, you're not allowed. It's the same team. But it's okay, it's okay. I think this is a teaser question, Zayan, isn't it? But what's your next question, Zayan? Here.
We'll go on. Who is the founder of Adidas?
Yeah, and let me mute Zara quickly, isn't it? Okay, Safia wants to answer. Zayan, you tell me who should I go to, all right? And everybody, if you can have pen and a paper, also write it down. Oh, I'm so sorry. Where did I go? Zayan, can I go to the two sisters out there?
Dassler.
Okay, who? All right, Adolf Dassler. Zayan, is that right answer?
Yes, it's right.
Is it Adolf
You showed
Hitler?
the answer.
Okay, I did show it. Adolf Hitler, Adolf Dassler.
Adolf Dassler.
So trivia question, Zayan. What did Adolf Hitler invent? Adolf also invented. We spoke about in our last class. Who wants to answer that?
Volkswagen.
Oh, there, Abdullah. The Patel family has given the answer. It is Volkswagen. So all of you are answering.
And BMW.
Oh, BMW also? We have to check that, Abdullah. But 2 points for all those who gave the right answer. Right, Zayan, you're doing good. This is Adolf Dassler. You got a good photo of him. Okay, can I go next, Zayan? Yeah, Zayan, can I go next?
You can continue.
All right, here you are.
Where is the headquarters of Adidas located?
Okay, anyone wants to attempt that? Zayan, is country enough or they have to get the city's name also?
Germany.
Okay, I've got a unanimous answer. It's okay. All right, all of you know you can write also answers down. I trust you. It's a trust quiz, absolute trust quiz. So when you're writing down, I know Germany. But Zayan wants to know which city, isn't it, Zayan? Which city in Germany?
I have given the city to you.
Oh, that's a tough one, Zayan.
Please tell the city, everyone.
Who wants to attempt the city one? Jasia, you want to attempt, Jasia?
Germany is correct, but what is the city?
What's the city there? All right.
So something.
Don't Google, don't Google.
Oh, the quiz master is very strict. Don't Google. We have a Google quiz coming in, Zayan. You know that we have a Google quiz. Okay, Muhammad was just Google and telling the answer. Yes, Muhammad. Muhammad, unmute yourself. Can you hear Muhammad, Zayan?
Hi.
Okay, Muhammad, if your answer is what Zayan has written on the screen, I'll give you a point. There is this. Yeah, it's Herzog. What's the answer, Zayan? Can you spell it?
Herzogenaurach.
Herzognarat. All right, hold on. I'm just going to mute everybody so Zayan will have a lot of answers. He can speak up. 1 minute. Okay, only Zayan is unmuted. Then your next question, please.
Let's go on. What is the official motto of Adidas?
Raise your hand, Zayan. You tell me who wants to answer, and the quiz master tells. I'll go and unmute them. Go ahead, quiz master.
Should I tell who should answer?
Yes, you should tell. Yes.
I will see.
Naufal wants to answer. Saad wants to answer. Sufyan, Ibrahim. Zayan, there are too many contenders. Go ahead, tell me. Muazzam, Mudabbir, they have not answered today. No one started answering. Sufyan. Okay, they've got a friend out there. Sufyan, unmute yourself if you can, and then start answering. Hold on. Hold on 1 minute. I'm just going ahead to Sufyan. Sufyan, give me a minute.
Impossible is nothing.
Is that the right answer?
You are right.
Correct
You're right.
answer.
Yes, you are right.
Wow, I didn't know that. I thought that
Sufyan
is
is
my
right.
one. Sufyan, you are right. All of you who are writing your answers down will also get your 2 points. Sufyan got the right answer. Impossible is nothing. Wow, I only know the Nike ones. By the way, Zayan, you know there is an acronym associated with Adidas. Like Adidas together means something. Do you know that? Or you think your friends know it?
Sorry, coming in.
So
come
Adidas,
again.
so
We have
it's like
network problem.
ADIDAS. You know, some people say that also means something. So ADIDAS. I got somebody writing on the chat also, and you can actually shout out, and I'll give you the. Ibrahim wants to answer. Okay, hold on. Yeah, it's okay, Anas. Yeah, yeah.
I did not come to know about that
Okay,
Adidas.
all right. So I was doing some research on it. I'm going to this boy Yahya and Ibrahim. Go ahead, tell me.
All day I dream about soccer.
Okay, all day I dream about soccer. Okay, Ibrahim, I like you're absolutely correct, except for one word. Anyone wants to correct the last word that Ibrahim said? All day, the M&M. Okay, Safia, all right, I'm going to you. Tell me.
All day I think about sports.
Yeah, Safia?
All day I dream about sports.
Sports, all right. Okay, Ibrahim got the entire one. So Adidas, you know, Zayan, interesting, isn't it? I don't know if Adi Dassler made that, but I'm sure right now Zayan and his friend made that up.
But when I browsed, it showed that Adidas is because Adolf, Adi, and Dassler, Das.
You are right, Zayan. So this acronym is we made it up, isn't it? Right, fantastic. I love your quiz. So we have got one more. Okay, this is a difficult, good research question. Zayan, please ask.
What is the subsidiary bought in 2006 by Adidas?
Okay, which company is a subsidiary company that was bought by Adidas? Abdullah and Farhana, I love the answer all day. I dream about shoes, but that is your mummy's answer. Check how many shoes she's got in her wardrobe. What subsidiary? Zayan has asked a difficult question. Where? Mohammed, who wants to answer? I didn't see the teams. Okay, Ibrahim wants to answer. Okay, Ibrahim Sadiq. Zayan, can I go to Ibrahim Sadiq?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, Ibrahim, unmute and speak up. You can't unmute? Okay, I'm unmuting you. Go ahead, Ibrahim, speak.
Reebok.
Reebok, he says.
That was the right answer. Very good, Ibrahim.
Whoa!
Reebok is the right answer.
Brilliant. Okay, Ibrahim. So which shoes you have got? Abbas got you Adidas shoes or Reebok shoes? This Eid, what is he getting you? No, I can't unmute you for a reason. But anyway.
Not only Reebok, Adidas has many subsidiaries.
Okay, all right.
Subsidiaries.
Fantastic. Zayan, this is a brilliant quiz. Lot of information. I think we have a brilliant quiz master coming up. Thank you so much, Mr. Sports. Zayan, Mr. 360 degree. Brilliant quiz. Can all have a thumbs up for Zayan? Everybody. All right. Look at them, mashallah. They're all excited. Zayan, you want to say one last word about Adidas and then go ahead? What did you like about the company? Why did you choose this company?
Adidas Master Blaster.
Oh, the secret is Master Blaster, Sachin Tendulkar. There you are, Zayan. I love the way you're thinking. Mashallah, you all are very, very smart boys and girls. Very proud of you. Brilliant, Zayan. Thank you so much. Okay, who is next now? Are you going good? Is the quiz going on fine, everyone? Can you give a thumbs up? Was it interesting? All right, my next quiz master from the opposite gender, the girl in Mumbai, a YouTube sensation who will soon be, better get autographs very soon now, is Amina Aga. Amina, all set and ready? Amina, okay. Can you unmute yourself, Amina? Zayan, could you mute yourself, please? You can't? I'll help you. Hold on. Okay, Amina, don't worry. I'll just mute. Yeah, you are unmuted. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Amina Aga, and I'm 11 years old, and I'm in 6th grade.
Wonderful. Amina, you want me to share the screen?
Yes.
Okay, done. What topic, Amina? Is that topic is a question or you? What topic have you chosen?
YouTube.
YouTube. All right. Now, we don't say that for any reason, right? We know why you say choose to YouTube. Fantastic. Your screen is being shared here. Everybody get glued to the screen. The questions are coming thick and fast. Amina, the quiz is yours. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Wow, I love the graphics. There you are.
The first question is, in which year was YouTube made?
Tick, tick, tick. Difficult question, Amina. First question, which year was YouTube made? All right. Okay. So their answers already thick and fast. Oh, people are already raising their hand. Who should I go to? Quiz master?
Um,
Can I go to your neighbors in Vignar? Okay,
I
hold on.
guess.
I will wait for a difficult question for coming their way. Sayyida Mariam doesn't answer so much, so I'll go to write down. Yeah, the girls, you know. Mariam, please answer.
2005. 2005, February 15.
Wow, is that right?
Yes.
Oh, Mariam, this is wonderful. Absolutely brilliant. 2005. So Amina, is it before you were born or after you were born?
Before I was born.
Okay, so YouTube is older than you. That's a nice one. Okay, good question, Amina. Right, this is nice. 2005. And Mariam also gave us a date there. Good. Here is the next question. Amina, go ahead.
The second question is, who are the 3 founders of YouTube?
And who are these cartoons here in the image? The emojis found YouTube, Amina? You're telling me that?
No, there are 3 people behind the emojis.
Okay, all right. Who are the 3 founders? Amina, anyone raising their hands? Oh, I've got someone raising their hand. Amina,
Yeah.
go ahead. Tell me, who do you want to go to? Wow, Mariam, I'm impressed. You know the answer. So does Ibrahim.
Mariam.
But can I go to
Ibrahim,
someone else? Yeah.
Yeah.
Who should I go to?
Jasia can answer.
Okay, Jasia. Mashallah. There she is. Jasia, go ahead.
Shad Hurley and Raoud Karim.
I have no idea. Is that right answer, Quizmaster?
Yes.
Wow, Jasia, this is brilliant. I didn't know you all know so much about YouTube. Let me ask you some more questions about myself. I don't know if you know about me. Wow, tell me something about them, Amina.
They were the 3 founders, and they met like they used to go to college together, but they did not know each other, and they met like in the college cafeteria. So then they started.
Okay, that is the reason, you know, ask Fauzi, ask Udman, ask Dayan, we always used to sit in the college cafeteria. Isn't it? So when you sit in college cafeteria, that is why we had a lovely college. We had a big tree and there was a, isn't it, Fauzi? Yes. So only thing we missed out making YouTube, but alhamdulillah, something good happens. Yes, Faisal, Hafsa, Javed. Okay, so they have different people. I mean, isn't it interesting? There is a Javed Karim, there is a Chinese Steve, and there is Shad Hurley. Very interesting. Different ethnicities, different faith. Good. Okay. What's next?
How much money does YouTube make a year?
Wow. What's the answer? Who do I go to? Are you missing out anything on the second screen? Anyone there? Okay, can I answer? A lot of money. Is that the right answer?
It is a lot of money, but you have to tell me in the correct amount.
Okay. Can I go to Ibrahim Sadiq? Yes, Ibrahim. Yes. Why am I unable to? Ibrahim, try to unmute yourself, please.
1,000.
1,000, he says. $1,000.
No.
No? Who do I go to? Mariam? Can I go to Sayyida Mariam again?
16 into 25. Billion. 16 to 25 billion.
16 to 25 billion, she says.
Yes, that's correct.
That's correct. All right, Saad, what do you think? Is that the right answer?
Yes.
Yes, Saad. How much? So is it more than what your Abba makes, or YouTube makes more than that?
YouTube makes more than that.
But you know, the one who's sitting next to you is going to be the king, so he'll make more money than all of us here. Yeah, inshallah, isn't it? Yeah. I'll be good. I'll better be good friends with him. Okay, Amina, this is a lot of money that they're making. Why do they make so much money? YouTube is free. I don't pay for YouTube.
Because they were the one who invented it, and almost everyone worldwide uses it.
Okay, and then when you put an ad on a YouTube, you know, they have to pay for putting ads on the YouTube, and then this is how the channel is. All right, this is good. What's your next question?
Where did the YouTube founders work before YouTube?
Okay, I want everyone to make a guess here now. So don't worry, just make a guess. Who wants to answer? I want Munib to make a guess, Anas to make a guess, Nazim to make a guess. Come on, make a guess. Just try. Don't worry. We are not looking for right answers all the time, isn't it? The fun of the quiz is just knowing what to do. Who wants to guess? Come on, Masam, guess. Come on, Mango, guess. Okay, I know. Okay, well, there Salim wants to guess. Salim, go ahead. Google.
No, that's not that.
Oh, they were just next building to Google, I think. No, not Google. Very nice. I like the attempt. Zayan, our old quiz master. Can I go to Zayan? Yeah, Zayan, go ahead, speak up. No, can't unmute.
Is it Microsoft?
Okay, is it Microsoft? So we
No,
got
it's not.
our two teachers are telling it's Google and Apple. Are they right or wrong, Amina?
They are wrong.
They are wrong. Sorry, teachers, you're wrong. Who else wants to attempt? Okay, Ibrahim, hold on. I'll come to you. I didn't see my Surat family here. Okay, Safia and Juwaria says me. Okay, Nazim wants to go. Safia, Juwaria, all right. I'll come to you. Unmute and speak up. Yeah, go ahead. Speak now.
At the zoo.
At the zoo.
No, not.
Really? Okay, I like that answer, by the way. Nazim, you wanted to say answer. Please go ahead. PayPal. He says PayPal.
Yeah, that's correct.
Wow, I like the answer. What you are doing is you're learning a lot of answers. Others are learning from you. Fantastic. So they were in a different company called PayPal. Good. Can I ask a very difficult question? Who's the founder of PayPal? No? We'll leave that one, okay? Because then I'll have to Google. I think it's Peter Thiel, but I don't know the answer. All right, yeah, Amina, go ahead. Your next question.
Which YouTuber is planting 20 million trees?
Oh, is that true?
YouTuber planting 20 million.
I'm going to chat. Someone's answering chess. Yeah, Muhammad says Mr. Beast. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, hold on, Muhammad. Yeah, I'm jumping onto you. Where are you, Mr. Beast? Muhammad, speak up. Who is Mr. Beast?
He's a YouTuber. Ayman and Ali also watches him. He's
Muhammad,
very nice.
Muhammad, it's not right to call your father Mr. Beast. You know, it's bad manners. Can you call your Mr. Beast and give salams to us? Where is he? Please call him. All right, Amina, is the right answer?
Yes.
Okay, brilliant, Amina. This thing is wonderful. I think you did a great job on YouTube. What's your channel on Amina? What's your channel on YouTube? Can you tell us that about?
It's called Creative Agas.
All right, and why did you choose YouTube?
Because I used to watch other people, and I thought one day I was just like thinking. I asked my dad to record me playing with my stuff, and then just started and going on.
Wonderful, fantastic research, Amina. Once again, I'm very proud of all of you. Can you all tell me if you liked it? You can show a thumbs up. Yeah. Nice, wonderful, Amina. All the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Brilliant work again, girl. Right, is the quiz going on fine? Fantastic. Quiz is going fine. We have a third quiz master. Are you ready? This one is a real fun quiz now that he's done. Saqlain Sayyed, can you unmute yourself and can we get started with the quiz? Saqlain, are you there? Yeah, I can see you. Take your time. Yes. Hold on, I'm unmuting you. Yes, Saqlain. Please introduce yourself and then we'll get started.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saqlain and my topic is Pixar Animation Studios and Disney.
Okay, Saqlain. Pixar Animation and Studio. We are starting to share the screen. I'll share the screen, Saqlain. Is that right?
Yeah.
Fantastic. All right, Saqlain, the screen is here. Go ahead.
Settings.
Mariam, can you mute yourself, please? All of you, so that we can have no disturbances.
Yeah.
Right. Sakleen, can you ask the first question? No, go ahead. You want to tell you something about the company?
Yeah. So Pixar was founded in 1986. It was originally the name of a computer that was developed by the computer department of Lucasfilm for digital compositing Pixar imaging computer.
Wow, this is interesting. I will tell some really interesting thing about Pixar after in between the quiz. All right. Sakleen, the quiz is starting now. Here is the first question. Please ask them. Wow, I like
Can you
the
guess
question.
this character?
Okay, this is interesting. I'm getting answers flying in the chat. So let me read the chat quickly. And okay, I have not gone to someone who said, okay, Ahmed and Rushta. Rushta wants to say the answer. I'm running off to you, the Qazi family out there. Rushta, can you unmute yourself and speak up? Okay, I'll come to a lot of you. Hold on. Can Rushta unmute herself? Can I see her? Yeah, please.
Alien X.
Yeah, Rushta, go ahead. Why did you think that it is Wazowski? Or is that right? You've seen the
Yeah.
movie? Is that right, Sakleen?
Yes, it's the correct answer.
Okay, Aisha, you be ready. I'm coming to you next for the next question. All right. This is interesting. Very, very interesting questions coming your way. Okay. So there you are. By the way, these questions, these answers, how did you think of these answers, Sakleen? Alien X, Butcher, are they also characters?
Yeah, Alien X is one of the character in the cartoon Ben 10. So it's
Ben
not a
10.
cartoon.
Okay, all right. This is Mike Wazowski. Why do these guys have one eyes? I'm afraid they're doing something else. Okay, I'll not get into the whole philosophy here. But all right, Sakleen, your next question, please ask.
Can anybody guess this character?
Don't shout the answers. Hold on, hold on. Yes, I know most of you know the answer. This is interesting quiz. You're enjoying it. I said Aisha. I promised her. Aisha, I'm coming to you. Yes.
Rex.
Rex. That's all. Rex. Sakleen.
Yeah, it's the correct answer.
Okay, all right. Lafira, be ready. Nofil and Rafira, I'm coming to you next. I think you all are enjoying the Pixar quiz. Sakleen, you made a very light, interesting quiz there. So, what do you see? Who are the other guys? I'm interested. Zerg, Hammam, what is he? They are also characters? You made them up.
Oh, random names.
Random names. All right, good. Sakleen, you call your sister any of these names? Your elder sister? When she's naughty and she doesn't help you out?
Times Rex.
Rex. Okay, all right. Oh, mashallah, Usman. So nice to see you.
Rex is
Rex is the answer. There you are. Sakleen, ask the question. And Lafira, you be ready. I'm coming to you.
Who is this character?
Stephen.
Hold on, everyone. Not Lafira. You don't want to answer? Hamza wants to answer. Nazim? No. Hold on. Hamza wants to attempt? All right. Hamza from all the way from Riyadh wants to attempt. Go ahead. Speak up.
Sir, it's Russell B.
It's B. Russell. Okay, I'll take some more answers, Sakleen. Shall I go to Lafira? Yeah, Lafira, go ahead. What do you think? Okay, you say E, James, or B? I didn't hear you. Then I lost you. Okay, Nazim. Yeah, speak up, please. Your answers are all there on the chat. Everyone. Yeah, all right, Sufyan. I read your answer. Everyone saying, Sakleen, what's the right answer?
The answer is B. Russell.
B. Russell. Okay. And which movie is he from? Who can tell me that? You can shout out. It's okay. Now you can shout out. It's just my GK have increased now. Okay. Farhana says, okay. Sufyan, Muhammad, everybody knows the answer is from Up. Okay. So you all know your answers. Brilliant. Everybody mute yourself. Yes. Thank you so much. Everybody mute yourself so I can go ahead. Please go ahead. Sakleen.
In Toy Story, Woody has a name written on the sole of his boot. What is it?
Don't answer, Ibrahim. Hold on. There is a new quiz coming your way. Who wants to answer someone? Okay, shall I go to Hamza wants to answer? Hamza Sheikh, no? Hamza's like, okay, no, I don't want to watch. It's okay. Zaina's little one. Sana wants to answer. Sana, unmute and answer. Hold on, I've not unmuted you.
Andy.
Andy.
Yeah, it's the correct answer.
Wow, Sana, it's Andy. You guys know everything about the Pixar. I have no idea here. Wow, Andy. What's Andy? Andy is a full form of something?
No.
So Andy is from which movie? Yeah, Jasia, you said Andy. I got that also. It's a name. All right. Thank you, Sana. It's a name. Okay, so this is it from Toy Story, Saklen?
Yeah, it's the Toy Story.
Now I'll ask you my type of question. All right. So now, what's the name of that astronaut in the Toy Story? Who wants to answer that? You can unmute and answer. Just it's okay. Yeah, Muazzam Mudabbir, go ahead. Okay, Ibrahim, I'll come to you. Wait, Muazzam, go ahead. Tell me. Can't unmute you. Yeah, now I did. Go ahead.
Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear, wonderful. Now tell me, think about it. Why did they name him Buzz Lightyear? You know, these people at Pixar, they're just not just making computers. They are very, very intelligent people, and I really admire. Yeah, who was there?
Buzz Aldrin.
Buzz Lightyear is for what? Yeah, Mudabbir, go ahead. Mozam, you said something. Buzz
Aldrin.
Buzz Aldrin. All right, and I remember you doing a presentation on that. So Buzz Aldrin, one of the second men who stepped on moon. Tell me the third man on moon. Now I'm going to put you in trouble.
Michael Collins.
Fantastic, boys. You are brilliant. MashaAllah. I'm so proud of you guys. Michael Collins, the third man on moon. So they name it according to the characters and the real characters. They name them according to it. These people at Pixar, Netflixes, they think a lot. Saklen, I'm enjoying your quiz. I have something very interesting to share about Steve Jobs and Pixar. What's your next question? All right, there you are. Go ahead.
Can you name this character from the movie Inside Out?
Inside Out. Okay, Jasia. Jasia, yeah, she is. Amina, hold on. Jasia, tell me the character's name.
Joy.
Joy? Are you sure? But you have no joy. Can I see a little joy on your face also? That smile. Yeah, now I can see. Saklen, is that the right answer?
Yes, it's right.
Also, expression is right. Is that joy expression?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, Rufeda, how are you? You got a youngest participant, Rufeda. Have you seen the movie? Can I go to Rufeda? Can I speak to her quickly? Big brothers? Hello, Rufeda. How are you? Can I see her? Ah, there I can see. Now I can see her. Okay. Good. What is this movie about? Saklen, please tell us a little more about the movie and then tell me the answer.
Actually, I have not watched the movie.
Okay.
I just searched.
Okay. So anyone who has seen the movie, can you tell me a little about it? Mohammadi raised the hand first. Ibrahim wants to raise the hand. Ibrahim, you want to speak now? No. That's okay. It's okay. All right. All right. Where Mohammed? Go ahead. Tell me what this movie about.
A girl and her emotions, they lived inside her head. And there were 4 emotions: anger, scaredy cat, and greedy. Happiness. So then one time there was some ball, some memory ball, and then they fall and they get lost in the.
Thank you, Mohammed. You told me the whole movie now. All right, brilliant. I'm just fantastic, Mohammed. So this was an Oscar-winning movie, right? Safia wants to add something. She was waving at her friends and cousins. Okay, hold on 1 minute. I'm unmuting you. Please tell me. Safia Juwairi.
The movie's name is Inside Out, na?
Yes, it is Inside Out. This is a brilliant movie on emotional intelligence. You know, there are so many people who have mental health problem. And I really believe this is one of the best movies. It won an Oscar. Sometimes you convey so much. Whatever you think, your emotions are that way. And that is why, you know, we've always been told to be positive, be happy. Saklen, I love the question. There you are. All right. Saklen, this is another question. Go ahead. Tell me.
Can you tell me the most successful Pixar and Disney film?
All right. The most successful. Only one name. Ibrahim, I'm jumping out to you because you've been shouting the answers. Go ahead. Tell me. Cars. Is that right? Lafira, what do you think? Anyone has a different answer? Lafira? Unmute and speak up. Yes? Speak. Pixar, is that what you're saying? Okay. Anyone else wants to jump and answer? Who was raising the hands, please? Zayan wants to answer. Yeah, Zayan, tell me. Unmute and speak up. Zayan, you did me to log in again. I'm unable to unmute you. Yeah, again, I unmuted you. Go ahead. Answers in the chat. Toy Story. Zaina says Toy Story. Ahmed says Car. Lion King. That's Abdullah and Juwairi. Oh, wonderful. I've not seen you for a long, long time. Hamza says Mickey Mouse. What's the answer? What is the answer? Who can tell me? Incredibles 2. That's nice, interesting. Yahya and Ibrahim says Incredible 2. Sakleen, are you there? Can you tell us the answer?
Yeah, the answer is Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs.
Oh, Snow White and Seven Dwarfs is 1937. The new one has made recently. Anyway, that's just something I didn't expect. But by the way, guys, do you know that Steve Jobs, he made the entire thing Pixar, but he was thrown out of Apple, which is very interesting, isn't it? When you're thrown out of a company, yeah, that is the question that Sakleen has. Where is Pixar animation studio based? So Steve Jobs, when he thrown out, so hold on to this answer. He did not come and cry and complain and he went and said, Mama, what will happen to me? He went out, he learned a calligraphy course in France and he made this whole amazing company called Pixar. After 10 years, Apple was forced to take Steve Jobs back in the company. And that is what I want you all to start thinking. The word is great. Don't worry, don't give up. You can be next Pixar where you think we are. All right, Sakleen, who is giving an answer for this one? Anyone here wants to answer? Can I see the answers on the chat at least? Right, I'm seeing some answers on chat. Quickly, we go to the chat. It's not a Pixar movie. Okay, Ahmed and Rushda, I'll check that. Even I found, Sakleen, we'll have to do research on it. Snow White one, it's a Disney movie, by the way. Right? Finding Nemo could be right one. Okay, California, Yahya says, Zaina says California. Seattle, Ahmed says Seattle. Sufyan says Hollywood. What's the right answer? Let's quickly go onto the screen. Sakleen, what's the right answer?
The right answer is Emerville, California.
All right.
It is right.
Emerville, California. All those is California. That's the answer you're looking at. You know, if I had time, I would have asked you to name each and every character from this screen out there that he has put. But brilliant, isn't it? One last question. What's the name of Nemo's father? Quickly. Who can I go to? Let me put the screen on. What's Nemo's father's name? Who wants to answer? Nemo's father? Who wants to attempt? Okay, Ibrahim wants to attempt. You don't know Ibrahim? Yeah, Ibrahim. Amir is not the answer.
Marlin.
Marlin, is that right? Marlin. All right, I'll accept the answer. And what kind of fish? Dory. Dory is the best friend, Zayan. Marlin is the answer. Mohammed also gave the answer. Aisha, go ahead. Tell me.
Marlin.
Marlin. What kind of fish is Nemo, Aisha?
Clownfish.
Clownfish. And what kind of fish is Dory? Muazzam, who wants to answer? That's a tough one. What kind of fish is Dory?
What kind of fish is Dory?
Yeah. So someone just helping yourself to do Google searches. Go ahead and tell me. Did Alexa help you with the answer? It's a clownfish. Okay, that's Abdullah. I get the answer. It's a clownfish. What kind of fish is Dory? Nobody is able to. You can Google it. It's okay. All right. Meanwhile, thank you so much, Sakleen. It was very interesting quiz. I can say everyone excited, enjoy. Can you show a thumbs up to Sakleen? Yeah, Anas, I'm coming to you. Anas, tell me the answer. No, Anas? Okay, I'll go to Zaina. Then you're my next quiz master. All right. Tell me.
Laurel Plutan.
Is that right? Laurel Putan?
Blue Tank.
Blue tan. Have you tasted blue tan? Like for iftar, can you make it like it's very tasty? No?
No.
No, it's a small fish. You will not fill in? Right, okay. All right, fantastic. Farhana, you had raised your hand. What are you all telling us? Something interesting. Go ahead, Farhana. Unmute yourself. I can't unmute. Yeah, go ahead, Farhana.
No, I was just going to tell like which fish is Dory.
Which fish is it?
I don't know. I can't pronounce it actually.
Okay.
It's
Pancha-
Paranthropus hepatus.
Okay, that's the scientific name. It's a blue tan fish, as Zaina tells us. Brilliant, Sakleen. Can you also show a thumbs up to Sakleen? Ibrahim, I'll come to you in the next round. Is it interesting? Was the quiz good? Can I have a thumbs up for Sakleen there? We're doing good, mashallah. Fantastic. Thank you so much, all of you. Brilliant, Sakleen. I love the choice of question. All right, it's okay, Mohammed. Wrong spellings are accepted in our quiz. Thank you, Sakleen. Sakleen, what made you choose Pixar? Quickly, can you tell me? And then you...
I am interested in it a little bit.
All right, I'm very amazed that you're still do a graphic and animation course. Hopefully we'll have someone teach you graphic and Chrome in Golden Sparrow. And I'm really excited to have you all back in Golden Sparrow at WeWork and the football turf. Are you all excited to come back?
Yes.
All right. Yeah, Munif, the turf is exciting, isn't it? We'll have football matches. We've got a Mo Salah back here. All right. Who is next? Who's going in? Are you ready? Zaina, is that right? Farhad, Zaina, are you ready? Can you unmute yourself and tell me big yes? Yeah, Zaina, please unmute yourself and tell us about you. Where is Farhad? Zaina gone. Where is my quiz master? There she is. Okay, have you unmuted you? Can you unmute yourself? Yeah. Can you introduce yourself and tell us a little about yourself? What you're doing, what are your hobbies?
Yeah. My name is Farhad Zaina and I'm from Saudi Arabia, Al Khobar. My topic is about Google. You know that Google is an internet search engine. It is a multinational corporation from the United States of America. It is known for creating and running one of the largest search engines on the World Wide Web. Every day, more than 1 billion people use it. The current motto of Google is do the right thing.
All right. So I will ask you the previous motto of Google. Wonderful research, Farhad.
Can I share?
Yeah, please. You want to share on your own or shall you want me to
Yeah.
use?
Yeah, I have changed some of this.
Okay, all right. There you are. I'll stop the share from my end. Please go ahead and share. It's okay, Anas. It's okay. You're not disturbing. You cannot unmute. I can see that. We'll work it out, so don't worry. Oh, quickly. Just put the screen on, Zaina. Yes, that's better. Go ahead. Absolutely visible.
So, can I start?
Yes.
Name the company that owns Google. America's Alphabet, Word, Shakespeare.
The company that owns Google. Oh, somebody is owning Google also? I've got the... Who do you want to go, Zaina, please? Tell me, I'm getting answers on the chat. But who should I go to? Can I go to... No. I think I know. Okay, can I go to old Quizmaster? Amina?
Yeah.
Go unmute and tell us. Yeah, okay, hold on, Amina. I'll help you out. Yeah, please speak up.
It's Word.
It's Word, she says. Okay, you make words with it, right? Zaina, is that right answer?
No.
Hold on, my other quiz masters. Hold on. Who is it? Hold on. Who is it? Who wants to answer? No, wait. I'll go to the younger ones, right? I'll go to Ibrahim. No, Nazim, hold on. Nazim has not answered yet. Nazim, go ahead, please. Sorry, M&M's, Ibrahim's and Yaya's. Hold on. Zaina, is the right answer?
What?
Alphabet.
He says alphabet.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the right answer. It is the alphabet. Brilliant, fantastic, Nazim. Okay, my question to you, Zaina. How many alphabet in English language? Quickly, tell me with your finger itself, with your numbers, how many? How many alphabet in English language? Okay, 26. Mariam, what do you think? No, I'm coming to you. Mariam, what do you think? How many alphabet in English language? 26, Mariam says. Abdullah and Juwaria, how many alphabet in English language? Unmute and speak up. These are our guests today, right? I wish you were there in the unschooling. The hubs. Abdullah and Juwaria, how many alphabet in the English language?
26.
26. Hamza, how many alphabet in the English language? Unmuted. Speak up loudly.
That's 26.
Brilliant. Juwaria, how many alphabet in the English language? Juwaria hates words, spellings. Yeah, Juwaria. How many alphabet in the English?
28.
28.
28. Oh, Juwaria added 2 new letters to it. We'll find out which one. I'll go to 2 more and I'm coming to you, Mudabbir. Yeah. How many alphabet in English language? Ibrahim Sadiq. Sufyan says 26. Zayan says 26. Lafira 26. Okay. All right. Mudabbir, how many alphabet in the English language? Quickly unmute yourself. Yeah, speak up.
1.
1.
Yes.
Oh, are you not well read? Did you not go to nursery KG?
1.
One alphabet and 26 letters.
Brilliant, brilliant, Mudabbir. That's the right answer. Everybody, this is where we get it wrong. They are only, you remember I said alphabet. One alphabet in English language, 26 letters. How many alphabet in Arabic language? Keep the mic on, Mudabbir. I like to speak now. How many alphabet in Arabic? In Arabic also? So,
One.
one. Every language. Chinese, one. Yes, Abdullah Juwaria, the number of letters will be more. In Arabic, okay, quickly, small trivia. Sorry, Zaina. Isn't it really teaching how many letters in Arabic? And this is very interesting. How many letters in Arabic? Alphabet. Alphabet always be one. Okay, Sufyan, he's running across. I'll go to Sufyan. Yes, please tell me. Sufyan, I unmuted you. Speak up.
28.
28 is the right answer, Sufyan. Some scholars although say 29 also. So very interesting. You know, the scholars have said 29 also because remember the letters, the Quran has some of the al-mutaqatta'at. Mutaqatta'at means ha, mim, yasin, alif, lam, right? Yeah, alif, lam, mim. So, all these are unknown letters. There are 29 chapters which starts with this mutaqatta'at or the mutashabihat, the unknown letters, and there are 29. If you include Hamza and Alif as 2 letters, Sufyan, it can be 29 also. Small trivia for all of you. But next time anybody asks you how many letters in alphabet, Zaina, how many letters in English alphabet? How many alphabet in English? One. All right. Brilliant, my quiz master. Go ahead. Next one, please.
Yeah. Which is the second most popular search engine after Google? Yahoo search, Bing search, YouTube, Firefox.
Should I go to Munib? Has not raised the hand so far. Munib, please unmute and speak up. Anas, I'm coming to you after this. Can you unmute yourself? Anas and Munib, both of you can. Munib, speak up. Munib, a little louder, please.
YouTube.
Munib says YouTube, Zaina. What do you think? Can I go to someone else? Can I go to Ibrahim and Yahya? Yeah, Ibrahim, Yahya? Unmute.
Yeah, give them chance. Then
Yahoo search.
Yahoo search, all right. Can I go to Aisha Kazi? Okay. Yeah, all right. Oh, hold on. Aisha Kazi. Unmute and speak up, Aisha. I unmuted you, speak up.
Firefox.
Firefox, okay. Can I go to Farhana? Unmute and speak up.
Yahoo.
Yahoo! Koi mujhe. No, Ramadan, no songs here. All right. Okay, what's the answer? Zaina? Please tell us the answer.
Answer is YouTube.
Whoa, it is YouTube. The second most search engine in the world is not Firefox. It's not Bing. Zaina, brilliant research. Actually, it is YouTube. Remember, if you want to search anything, where do you go after Google? Most of us go to YouTube. And okay, another trivia. What's the third most search engine after these two? Really, none of the answers that you think of. Where do people go when they have to do some kind of searches, when they have to find something? Okay, Anas, yeah, I can't hear you, Anas. Yeah, I'm sorry, but it's okay. I'm seeing you answer. Who wants to guess the third one? These are really difficult ones. Sakleen wants to answer. Okay, I'll go to the quiz master also. Yeah, Sakleen, unmute and speak up.
Wikipedia.
Wonder, Sakleen, that's close by. That's number 4. That's close by. Not Wikipedia. That's something else. The owner is Takla. The owner is bald. All right, I'm getting the answers. Yeah. Okay, I'm in the quiz master. Yeah, tell me. You just know the answer, right? It's there on the tip of your tongue. Okay, hold on. I'm sorry. Ibrahim Sadiq, go ahead. Tell me the answer. Mazdam, I'm coming to you, Mudabbir. Ibrahim, if he doesn't get it. Ibrahim, quickly unmute and speak up. Safiya, want to try? Muhammadi. Yeah, Ibrahim, speak up. Yeah, you unmuted. Speak up. Okay.
Big search.
Speak again, please. Zayan is the right. Big search. Okay, Zayan is the right answer. Yeah. Okay, hold on. No. Let me go to Nazim. Yeah, Mudabbir, I'm sorry. Just wait. Let's go to Nazim. Yeah, Nazim, tell me. I unmuted you. Speak up.
Amazon.
Amazon, and that's the answer. I know you knew the answer. It's okay, don't be disappointed. The hard ones I come to you. Zaina, it's Amazon. So interesting, isn't it? When you have to search something, you search on Amazon. Brilliant. Please go ahead. I'm enjoying your quiz, Zaina. Next question, please. Okay, hold on. Someone's carrying the screen. It's all colored here. Zaina, you have to unshare it and then go ahead again.
Yeah.
Now share again, please. Oh, yes, good. Okay, we are almost running out of time, but it's okay. Are you all okay? Yes.
Which of the following is a web browser launched by Google?
Web browser.
Internet Explorer, Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera.
No. I think you should not even raise your hands, boys. Big boys, don't even raise your hands. I'm not coming to you. You know that I'm not coming to you. I am coming to Hafsa. I'm going to Hinaya. Yeah, Hinaya, go ahead. Unmute.
Chrome.
Is that the right answer? She said Chrome.
Not audible.
Chrome. She said Chrome, Zaina.
Oh, yeah. Should I
Okay.
say the answer?
Yeah. Please tell the answer.
Yeah, its answer is correct.
Okay. Tell me in periodic table. In periodic table, there is an element from the word Chrome. Which element am I talking about? And the element's number. Tell me the element and the number. Come on, Muazzam. Come on, Ibrahim. I want the answers. All right. Come on, Juwaria. I'm seeing someone raising the hand. In the periodic table, okay, or anyone else. Amina, hold on, I'm coming to both of you. Amina and Juwaria. Speak up, Juwaria and Amina.
Chromium.
Chromium. Amina, quickly tell me the answer.
Chromium.
Amina, what's the periodic?
Chromium.
What's the number?
24.
24. All right, brilliant, white sisters. I like the answer. Where am I? Ibrahim, Muazzam? Yeah, Ibrahim has something to add up to. Ibrahim, tell me quickly. What's the Chromium? What's the number?
24.
Brilliant. Thank you so much. Juwaria, you were first. Oh, hopefully you're not checking online. I know you know that answer. Good. Muazzam, Mudabbir, that's a challenge for you. We are coming ahead. Okay. I like some of the boys out here. It's fantastic. Zaina, go ahead for the next question. You're doing very good. Where is my mango? Rushka, where is your brother? Yeah, go ahead, Zaina, please.
Who is the founder of Google?
Two boys.
MS Dhoni, Thomas Alva Edison, Larry Page and Sergey Brin.
Larry Page and Sergey Brin.
Wrong answer. The first choice is the right answer. Isn't it, Zaina? Right. Abdullah and Farhana, you are right. The only one who will get points is Abdullah Farhana because, yeah, that's it. Zaina, how did you even think of this answer? How did you put this name?
My father advised.
I know, mashallah. That's very, very interesting. But trust me, I will see your names in 10 years and 20 years from now. It'll be your names in these amazing companies, inshallah ta'ala. That's the Ramadan dua for all of you. Yeah, Ibrahim Sadiq, it's number 4. Absolutely fine. Zaina, we can go ahead.
That was with Mr. Dhoni.
All right. Great.
Who is the current CEO of Google?
Okay,
Mukesh Ambani.
I will take one answer only quickly.
Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Sundar Pichai.
What's the answer? Who was Sufyan? Hold on. No. Come on, guys. Come on. Wait. Hamza wants to answer. Hamza from Riyadh. Aisha. Okay, no. Sakleen, hold on, boys. No, I'm not coming to you, Sufyan. I'm not even looking at you. I'm not looking at you. Aisha Kazi, yeah, please tell me.
Sundar Pichai.
Sundar Pichai. How Sundar is he, Aisha? Is he as Sundar as Mustafa?
No.
No, Mustafa is more Sundar. I know that, Masha. You love your brother. I know that. Is that the right answer, Zaina?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Can we go ahead to the next one?
Yeah. Bonus question. Where was Sundar Pichai born?
Oh, that's a good question. What's the
Washington
choice?
DC, Chennai, Madurai, Trichy.
Who wants to answer? Zara wants to answer. Zara, can I come to you? Unmute. Yes. Yeah, Ibrahim, I know the answer. Yeah, you got the answer right. I know that. Don't even shake. I'm not coming to you guys. Zara, please tell me. Madurai, she says. Is that right answer?
Yeah.
Namma Madurai. Wonderful. Tamil Thai Mudi. Is it Fauzi bhai?
Yeah.
Fantastic. All right. Fantastic, Zaina. What have you got next now?
That's all.
Thank you so much. What a lovely quiz. So much of energy in the way you asked. So many lovely questions. Did you all enjoy the quiz? Can I show a thumbs up to Zaina? Yeah? Zaina Farad. Zaina, brilliant answer, mashallah. Very nice choice. Why did you choose Google? Last question to you. Why did you choose Google, Zaina?
It is an internet search engine
Okay.
and everyone use it, the worldwide.
Wonderful. Okay. And hopefully we will see you as the next CEO. Yes?
Yeah.
Inshallah. Wonderful. Thank you, Zaina. Wonderfully presented. So confident. All right. We've got the last quiz master of the day. As we say, last but not the least, all the way from the king from Qatar. Can I have Sufyan Waid please unmute himself and go ahead with your presentation? Thank you, Zaina. You mute yourself, please. Sufyan? You are unmuted, Sufyan. You are unmuted. You want me to share? Do you want me to share the presentation or you will share?
I'll share.
Wonderful. Wonderful. That's fun.
My name is Sufyan. I am 12 years old. I'm in 7th grade.
Brilliant, Sufyan. All right. Can we have your presentation on the screen? Yeah, we can see it. Can you make it full screen? Absolutely. Get started, Sufyan.
Can go ahead.
Who is the founder of Amazon? Steve Jobs, Mahatma Gandhi, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates.
Who should I go to, Sufyan?
Anyone?
Anyone? Saida Mariam? No, Muhammad, I'm not coming to you. There are difficult questions coming your way. Why? Saida Mariam, tell me.
Jeff
Bezos. Is that right answer, Sufyan?
Yes.
Okay. Now there's a question coming your way. Jeff Bezos is bald. Tell me 3 very popular Hollywood actors who are also bald. Now who is going to answer? All right. I heard. Yeah. Zayan, Muazzam. Okay. I got some of you answer that. Now I'm not getting many hands raised up. Zayan, I'll allow you one and I'll go to you, Muazzam. All right. Zayan, tell me. I can't unmute you, Zayan. Please re-log in or go to Zaina's one. Yeah, please tell me the answer, Zayan. Now I'm coming to you, Mohammed.
Can you repeat the question?
Okay, 3 Bollywood actors who are bald. Okay, Mohammed, I'm running to you now. Zayan, I think something. Mohammed, tell me one answer. One. Loudly, please. Vin Diesel. All right. So from Vin Diesel, Muazzam, what do you think is the next one? Mudabbir saying, okay, hold on. Yes?
Rock.
What's his name? All right, I'll go with Rock. Sakleen knows the name. All right, Sakleen, I'm coming to you. Tell me.
Dwayne Johnson.
Dwayne Johnson. Yes, your dad gets a point, Muazzam. Right? Ibrahim, tell me what's the third one. What's the third one? Rock, they said Rock. They said Dwayne Johnson. I want the third one. Hamza has an answer. Hamza, all right. Hamza, tell me.
Sir Will Smith.
Tell me again, Hamza. Will Smith. Okay, Will Smith, alhamdulillah, inshallah, when he went for Hajj or when there is a rumor Will Smith become Muslim, then he'll shave himself, Hajj and Umrah. He's from Riyadh. That's the answer I expect. Hamza, good. But no, it's not Will Smith. There's one more. In Fast and the Furious. Yeah, I can see Fast and Furious. Abdullah Patel. Tell me the answer.
Ben Kingsley.
Okay, that's a good answer. Ben Kingsley was Mahatma Gandhi, right? Okay, I want a younger one, please. Good answer. Abdullah, that's the right answer, by the way. Okay. Jason Statham. If those who didn't get it, Jason Statham. Sufyan, next question, please. Thank you, Sufyan.
Amazon was initially named Kadabra, Abraka, Jingalala, Nile.
Jingalala? Okay, everyone's smiling, Sufyan. Who has the answer? Who wants to answer? Jingalala. Okay, Rushta wants to answer. Come on, try it out. Rushta, there are 4 choices. Come on, give me an answer. Abracadabra. Okay, I will go. Okay, I will go to Abdullah and Juwaria, our guest today. Yes, tell me.
Kadabra.
Abracadabra. Sufyan,
Yes, that's the correct answer.
is that right?
Yes.
Cadabra. Okay, cadabra is the right answer. Wonderful. Okay, can we go to the next one, please?
Jeff also owns a news channel. Name it.
Jeff.
BBC, NDTV, The Washington Post, New York Times.
All right, Amina wants to answer. Then I'll go to Ibrahim. Yeah, Amina, shout. Unmute and shout, please. Unmute yourself. Aisha Kazi says NDTV. Amina, we can't unmute you. Okay, Ibrahim, Ibrahim, tell me, unmute and speak up. BBC, Mudabbir,
New York Times.
don't waste your energy in Ramadan, not coming to you.
Washington Post.
Who
Yes.
said Washington Post? Is that right answer?
Yes.
All right, good. Okay, another question. Sufyan, I'm adding a question to you. Jeff Bezos also owns a space company. What company is that? Now the ones who... SpaceX, that is Elon Musk. That's Elon Musk. SpaceX is Elon Musk. Whoever said SpaceX, tell me the answer. Okay, Ahmed, go ahead, Mr. Mango.
Blue Origin.
Blue Origin, brilliant answer. I didn't see a lot of hands raised up now. Fantastic, Ahmed, good answer. All right, Quizmaster, please go ahead. It's a good research question, Sufyan. Washington Post is a difficult question.
What did Amazon initially sell and why? Electronics, vegetables, computer hardware, books.
Can I go to Nazim there? Yeah.
Okay.
Sufyan? Okay.
Yes.
Books.
He says books. Is that right?
Yes.
All right. It is books. Okay, Sufyan, please unshare and share again. Someone's doodling on the screen and we'll stop the annotation. Just unshare and share again. That's all. Okay, books is the right answer. Some little trivia. You see, what you love, you will create. So, you know, Jeff Bezos loved books. So that is why he created a book company, which he called Amazon, which is one of the rivers. And I have a question on the river also. And Steve Jobs made the iPod because he loved music. So, you know, whatever you choose, that's what you make it. Sufyan, go ahead, please. Last two questions and we close this Ramadan final quiz. Go ahead, Sufyan.
Amazon ranks #1 as dash-friendly company in America. Eco-friendly, dog-friendly, sports-friendly, food-friendly.
Okay, all right, hold on. Who do I go to? Juwaria. Okay, Juwaria. Can I go to Juwaria, Sufyan?
Yes.
You don't like her? Shall I go to her?
Please go to Zayan.
Sorry, the quiz master said no. All right, don't worry. We'll go to the next question. Zayan, please come. Zayan, I can't see you. Can I go to Juwairia's best friend, Aisha Kazi?
Okay.
Aisha, oh. Yes, Aisha, tell me the answer. I'll come to you, Juwaria.
Eco-friendly.
Eco-friendly. Juwaria, what's the answer? Juwaria, shout the answer, please.
Eco-friendly.
Eco-friendly.
That's the wrong answer.
He's so happy. Sufyan is so happy.
I told eco-friendly is only the answer.
No, Juwaria is sure. Okay, what do you think, Ibrahim? What do you think is the answer? Ibrahim, please answer.
Sports-friendly.
Sports-friendly, Ibrahim says. Is that right?
No.
Okay, oh, no. Hinaya, what is the answer? Hinaya and Salim?
Food-friendly.
Which friendly?
Food.
Food-friendly. Is the food-friendly answer? Hold on. Don't tell me yes or no. Now, Amina, shout the answer. Please tell me.
Dog-friendly.
Dog-friendly. Is that the answer? Oh, Sufyan is so happy. Who let the dogs out? Juwaria, Sufyan got 1 point. Juwaria got 0. It's wonderful. What's the answer, Sufyan?
Dog friendly.
Really? It's a dog friendly company. Can you show some pictures out there?
Dogs come to work along with their owners.
Wow. Okay, hold on. Sufyan, go to the last one. Yeah, this one. Tell me the breed of this dog. Tell me what breed this dog is. All of you now. Now the Muhammad challenge for you. Muazzam challenge for you. Ibrahim. Amina, Zayan, Saklain, what breed of dog is this? Do a Google search, do a scan, do an image scan. Tell me the breed of this dog. Come on. Mango, yes. Safiya, this is a challenge for you guys. Tell me this breed of dog. Sufyan, for you also. Tell me what breed of dog it is. You know, by the way, even I don't know the answer. Hairy breed. Mohammed is a hairy breed. Just like your hairs, you need a haircut, Mohammed. All right, what breed of dog is this? Quickly tell me. Difficult one? Okay, all of us, see, that is the best of it. Alhamdulillah, it's not about the answers. Even I don't know. Ibrahim got an answer. Let us learn from each other. Ibrahim, yeah, tell me, please.
Lochin.
Lochin, is that right? Saida Mariam, you have any other answer? Lochin. Ibrahim, well, let's find out. Yes? Pomerian. Zaina says Pomerian. Saida Mariam, what do you think? It's okay. Just tell answer. It's okay. We know it's not Doberman for sure. Yeah, Zaina says Pomerian. Juaria says something. Yeah? No. All right. Who wants to answer? Mazen, want to try this? Okay. We'll put this photo on the chat and then we'll see the answer. We'll go ahead, Sufyan. Even I don't know answer. The best answer is Allah Alam, right?
Yes.
But no, that's not the answer acceptable in your exam papers. All right. Sufyan, next one, please. No, Muhammad is not a soft toy.
Name a weird thing which Amazon sells. Tiger cubs, asteroid chunks, live ladybugs, coronavirus.
Oh, coronavirus. Umar, mashallah, where is my little friend Umar Sharif? Yes, he said Persian dog. I wish I can see you. But quickly come to who wants to answer. Who should I go to, Sufyan?
Is Zayan there?
Zayan. Sufyan's like, really want Zayan to answer. I think he's lost. I think we can't see him. Can I go to, who do I go to? Sufyan?
Sorry.
Who do I go to? Now somebody got the answer? Asteroid. Ahmed says asteroid. Okay, Saklain. I'm not going to Saklain for a long time. Saklain? Unmute.
Live ladybird.
Live ladybird. Is that right answer?
It is the right answer.
Okay, I think most of you knew that. It's all right. Wonderful. What's a strange one? Amazon says live ladybirds?
Yes.
Have you ordered it, Sufyan?
No.
No, not really? After Corona? Okay, I like your choices. They're very, very witty. Next one, please. Are we done?
This was the last.
This was the last one. Thank you so much. It was so interesting, Sufyan. Fantastic. All of you made your questions so interesting, so brilliant. So we're going to stop sharing the screen now. Did you all enjoy Sufyan's presentation? Can I have a thumbs up for him? Oh, all the smiles and the thumbs up. Fantastic. We exceeded our quiz, but thank you so much for your patience, all of you. This was the last quiz for Hub Schooling. Yes, all the Mango family is happy, the Waid family is happy, the Rizwani family, the M&Ms, the Aghas. I didn't see the little Agha there, the Patels out there, the Zaras and Zainas and Mariams. Fantastic. And Faisal Hafsa is out there. All of you, the Khazis. Thank you so much, my quiz masters. We had a great time. All of you did a brilliant job. You know, that's when I can go and relax, but I've got now brilliant quiz masters. 4 from last Sunday, 5 from this time. If you have a next quiz coming up, the rides are going to take up. So all of you, yes, thank you so much. It's a super duper hit. All of you, bye-bye. Have a great last few Rozas and a Eid. We will be meeting, of course, in the next sessions. 2 sessions left for all of you. See you all. Bye-bye. And thank you, quiz masters, again. Right. I'm just bye-bye to everybody. All right. We've got a lot of chat. Yes, next Sunday is Eid. Thank you so much for telling me. We are not having a quiz on the Eid day. All right. You all can say, friends, all of you, are you unmuted? You can say one little Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Happy in advance.
Aisha wants to say something. Go ahead, Aisha. Your hands raised.
Hello.
No?
Advance.
You're buying, saying bye? Oh, to Juwaria. Yeah, you're saying bye to Juwaria, Aisha? Okay.